In this lecture, let's learn how to find files in Linux command line. First, move to directory where you want to find files. In my case, it's practice files. Type find command followed by dot operator, which represents current directory, followed by dash name. We can also find files by type and size. And now type the directory or file name in double quotation. We can also find files by using wildcard characters like static. In this case, all the files or directories starting with D are shown. Now I have used wildcard character static before and after D, which gives me all files and folders starting with D and containing D in it. We can also find text files by using find command. Just type find command. Instead of using file name, type extension with a wildcard character. As you can see, all the files with text extension are displayed. We can also find files by giving complete directory destination. In my case, it's documents practice files. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos.